Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look at notes payable, exchange for cash, and some rights and privileges. Richter Company borrows $100,000 by using a 3-year non-interest bearing note to a customer, so we need to discount that. In addition, Richter agrees to sell fixed amounts of inventory to that customer at reduced prices. That's the privilege over a 5-year period. So the customers will have these reduced prices to purchase inventory from Richter for the next 5 years. And therefore, they're willing to lend this $100,000. Richter incremental borrowing rate is 12%. So if the borrowing rate is known, we're going to use that to discount it. So the present value of 100,000 to be paid for at the end of 3 years is 71,178. So if we go to the present value table, we find 12%, and 3 years we get 0.7118. And if you multiply that with the $100,000 face value, you'll get 71,178. Okay, so let's see here, 12% interest, T is 3 years, present value factor, if we get that from the table, 12% and 3 years is 0.7118, rounding. The cash flows will be 100,000. So the present value is going to be 71,178, rounding. And the discount is going to be the difference between the face value and the present value, 28,821.98. Okay, so then we can calculate the amortization of the discount using 12% interest. The carrying value, we start with 71,178.02, and then the interest expense is 12% times the carrying value, 8,541.36. We started the discount with 28,821.98, and it will go down by the amortization. The carrying value is the previous carrying value plus the amortization, which is also the interest expense. Okay, 12% times the carrying value. The discount goes down, the carrying value goes up. Finally, the last year is 12% times the previous carrying value. The discount goes down to 0, and the carrying value goes up to the face value, $100,000. Now, the difference between the cash that the company receives and this discounted price has to be recognized as unearned revenue and amortized during the period, the 5-year period the company is offering that customers to purchase at a lower price. When the customer uses that privilege, then the company will have to recognize the revenue. Okay, so from unearned revenue into sales revenue during those 5 years. So let's take a look at this. Okay, we get $100,000 cash from the notes payable, right? And then we have the discount on notes payable, which is the 28,821.98. The notes payable itself is $100,000, the face value. So we will have recognized unearned revenue for 28,821. Let me check. Yep. 821.98. If you look at the book, there is a rounding of 28,822, but that's just for the rounding difference. Okay, so now we have to amortize this unearned revenue, 28,821.98, divide that by the number of the offer, so the customers can use it over a 5-year period. So that's going to give us, if we divide 28,821.98 by 5, we get 5,764.4. Okay, so what is the journal entry? First, we need to recognize the interest expense from the notes payable. Okay, so we have to put interest expense, and we amortize the discount on notes payable. And we are using the first row here, the first year. Okay, equals 8,541.36, debit and credit. Okay, and then we have to recognize 1/5 of the unearned revenue. We have to recognize sales revenue, so we reduce unearned revenue by this amortization, 5,764.4, using straight line. And then we recognize sales revenue. Okay, 5,764.4. If we move 1 year further to December 31st, year 2, we're going to use the second row here. So interest expense will be coming from the second row, and the same thing for year 3, coming from the third row, and we amortize discount on notes payable. And then another 5,764.4 of the unearned revenue turns into sales revenue. So unearned revenue turns into sales revenue to be recognized in our income statement. Okay, so from liability to sales revenue, 5,764.40. Okay, so that's how we record the issuance of notes payable for cash and some rights and privileges. We recognize unearned revenue, and periodically we start to move the unearned revenue into sales revenues. Thank you for watching.